Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Helping Little Gems. And in this video, we're going to talk about understanding diversity. And this video only contains notes and it's a compressed form. If you want an elaborate way about the chapter, you can check the previous video. So over here, we have learned that people are different from each other in many ways. And it's not just by their looks or their names, but it's due to that they belong to different religions, cultures, and different regional areas. And all these differences really add value to our lives because people come from different kinds of backgrounds. We learn a lot from them. And these things are what makes our country so interesting and diverse. We always look forward to traveling to new places, meeting new people, and it's because of the diversity. Now, diversity is also there in many people's languages, is there when it comes to religious and cultural backgrounds. And also, some people are poor, some are rich. This is also diversity. Now, there's a concept known as inequality, which is there when people don't have the equal amount of resources and opportunities. Now, what does diversity add to our lives? By stories and by different experiences, different people have different living circumstances, right? We all live in different ways. We are brought up by our parents in different ways. So this is what diversity adds to our life. We get to learn new things. And if everybody lived the same way, there wouldn't be anything different to look forward to for all of us, right? So due to this very diversity that we have, so many options are available to us. Now let's talk about diversity in India. There's a lot of diversity in India, many languages, many different types of food, so many different festivals, and so many different religions. But although we have these many differences, we all do certain common things, but it's just in a different way. The way we celebrate festivals, the way we all speak languages, but it's just the different words, right? We try to communicate with each other, but just in a different way. So this is the common element in diversity. Now I've explained to you what diversity is and how it's done. So you can think about more examples of diversity. Now let's consider two different states, Ladakh and Kerala. As far as geographical area is concerned, Ladakh is a desert and it's present in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. As for Kerala, it's in the southwest corner of India and is surrounded by the sea on one side and hills on the other. Now let's talk about agriculture. There's very little agriculture in Ladakh, but there's a lot more agriculture in Kerala. Water availability. In Ladakh, people depend on melting snow for drinking water. But in Kerala, there is no shortage at all of drinking water. What about trade? People in Ladakh carefully collect pashmina wool of the sheep to make carpets and shawls. Whereas in Kerala, they depend mostly on spices and agriculture over there. Now, what about the route? Ladakh was considered a good route because it had many passes through which caravans traveled to what is called Tibet. And these caravans were also carriers for textiles and spices and raw silk and carpets. Whereas for Kerala, the Portuguese discovered the sea route to India from Europe, and Vasco da Gama, the famous explorer, landed his ship there. For religion and culture, in Ladakh, mainly it's Buddhism and Islam that is there. Whereas in Kerala, there are religions such as Judaism, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Now let's talk about food. In Ladakh, it's mostly meat and dairy products which are concerned. But in Kerala, as far as food is concerned, the agriculture is very good. So there's a lot of options. Even vegetables and crops are grown, and there's plenty of seafood available there. Now let's talk about this term known as unity in diversity. The basic strength of India has been the availability of so many diverse cultures and people. So when the freedom fight was happening, women and men from different cultural, religious, and regional backgrounds had come together and we all became one as part of the independence movement. And there were so many people who participated in the movement, yet they had a lot of differences amongst them. And because all Indians were united, it was hard for the British people to play the divide and rule game with them. So all people, whether they were rich or poor or were from different religions, they had come together for the fight. Now, in Jawaharlal Nehru's book, he said that Indian unity isn't something which somebody else has given to us. Rather, we have made it. And it was he who had coined the phrase unity in diversity. Now, something else which binds all Indians together is our national anthem, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. This also expresses the inherent unity present in India. So that's the end of this video. And thank you so much for watching this. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please pass on the news about this channel because we're trying to help out a lot of underprivileged kids who don't have access to proper learning resources. So by doing that, you will be doing us a great help as well. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.